am going to create a project in which you are going to learn how to on and off a bulb by using the JavaScript in ASP.NET Visual Studio 2019. So there's a window of Visual Studio 2019 and I have created a project with the name of bulb project. So let's see what is going on in this project. And you are going to learn more and more, and because it's a very useful project in order to learn the ASP.NET Visual Studio 2019 if you want to wish to work in JavaScript. So let's start this project and have understanding that what is the mean of these line. 8-page directives makes the file into a MVC action, which means that it handles requests directly without going through a controller. 8-page must be the first razor directive on a page. 8-page offer affects the behavior of other razor constructors. Razor pages files names have the CS HTML file suffix because here it's mentioned that I am working in C# HTML file, that is the index is showing here. So let's come to the next line, that what is the doc type file in HTML. So the HTML tag, this is the doc type HTML tag, is used for specifying which version of HTML the document is using. This is the referred to as the document type declaration DTD. Note the doc type tag does not have an end tag. In HTML5 we use this tag, so it means that I am working in HTML5. This is the HTML head is starting here, and that is the title. So this is the next line, and that is the meta character set UTF. Simply we put when you declare the character set as the UTF-5, you are telling your browser to use UTF-5 characters, which is a method of converting U-type characters into the machine readable code. The next line, and that is the link href. The ref attributes define the relationship between a linked resource and the current document. It specifies the relation between the tag and href. Rel is the short for relation. Ref stands for the reference hypertext reference. It's the source of the file used by the tag. Style sheet is referred reference document by the rel tag. This is the style sheet, that is the reference document by this rel, that is the short for the relation. So what is the style type? That is the text CSS, and that is the style sheet of cascading style sheet CSS working, and I have changed this color by black, so you may keep the background color according to your wish. That is the heading, and these are the all attributes. I have designed two buttons here in my project, that is the button 1 and that is the button 2. So these are the students the attributes of this button, that what is the border, display, cursor, and what is the movement on, off, over, mouse over and mouse on. So these are the all attributes of button 1 and similarly button 2. So next come, that is the style tag has been closed now. That is the complete script of Java, and I already made that what is the file of JavaScript, and that is the on bulb, and this is the off bulb function here. That is the working by document dot get element by id. That is a method of JavaScript, and it works with HTML elements. that returns a reference to the first object with the specified values of ID and name attributes. So these are the two functions of Java, and here we come on our HTML file, and that is the div command completely. So the head is closed, and this is the body is starting, and there is a div. So what is a div? Div tag defines a division or a selection in an HTML document. It is used as a container for HTML elements, which is then styled with CSS or manipulated with the JavaScript. The div tag is easily styled by using the class or ID attribute. Any sort of the content can be put inside the div tag. The div tag supports global attributes and the event attributes in HTML. So these are completely description of the div command, and I have kept the heading bulb on and off project JavaScript by Nazir Suhail. You may change your name according to your wish. I want to wish to keep this name, so I have just designed this project with my name. So this is the complete source with the ID of image, and that is the image I have taken from the desktop. That is the position of these images, and I have saved copy paste here in images folder here. So you may observe these are two pictures I have saved in images, off bulb and on bulb, and this is when I click on bulb. So that is the location of on bulb, and I used is here, and that is the event input type button. When I press this button, so on bulb in JavaScript function will work, and I have closed this div command here, div tag and body in HTML. So by pressing the Ctrl F5, you will have the output of this project. So we have designed this project in JavaScript. So let's see that how does it work. When I click bulb on button, that is the button 1, that is the button 2. So see, it's working. So in order to watch my more video lessons, keep liking and subscribing my channel, and keep learning, and see it's working. And it is some mini project for the JavaScript working, and HTML, C Sharp in ASP.NET Visual Studio 2019. So in order to watch my more video lessons, you will have to keep watching and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.